What is going on? It's your boy Fortune Teller 33 back with another video, man. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe. If you think about joining the Discord, hit me up on Instagram, D33 got bands. My Instagram will be down in the description. But today we will be talking about how I made 500% in just 2 hours. I know the title says 5 minutes, but hey, I had to get you here. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I made 500% in about 2 hours, which is still crazy. If you put in $1,000, you would have made 5,000. You would have put in 5,000, you would have made 25,000. You know what I'm saying? And this is within one day. You know what I'm saying? 1 day movement. So I'm just gonna give a quick explanation on how this was able to happen and how my Discord had the opportunity to hop in this play as well. So first of all, right now we are in the week watch list calendar. Channel. So every night I give my Discord stocks to watch for the next day. As you can see here, this is for 7/18. Today is 7/18, so pretty soon I gotta update this as well. So yesterday I stated SPY calls above 559.05 or puts below 556.55. Alright, let's take a look at SPY real fast. I'm gonna log into my Robinhood. Oh no, I'm just gonna do it from Google. You know what I'm saying? Quicker. So SPY is currently at 552. Let me see if I can get a better interface here. So in the beginning of the day, SPY was at 558, as we can see here. If you go over to when the market opened, it was at 558. Keep in mind, I told my Discord to only buy puts if SPY goes below 556, right? So let's see what happens. SPY goes to 559, and then it slowly comes back down. Still not in the puts yet, but now SPY goes below 556.55, about right. It's kind of quick to see here, but we'll just say right here. You know what I'm saying? So if you was in my Discord and I told you this information, if you watching SPY, you would have seen I said buy puts below 556. Buying puts means you making money if the stock drops. Buying calls means you making money if the stock go up. So in this case, we made money off the stock going down, which is what we wanted. So like I said, SPY went below 556.55. So let's pause right there on that. Now let's go over to learning sessions. So in the learning sessions, we teach a strategy that is very simple and easy to learn for beginners. We have more strategies on the way, but right now this is the easiest and most simple one we like to use for new traders, just to get you a basic understanding of how to read charts. So this right here is a put strategy. If you want to buy puts on a certain stock, all these things have to line up, and I'm gonna go over it right now. This bar has to be yellow. The candles have to be red, and it has to go below the yellow line here. All of these things have names, but I like to just keep it simple so people can understand me better. So like I said, if you see these three things line up, yellow bar, yellow line, red candles, if it crosses below that, then you want to load puts. Even though I said buy puts on SPY below 556, you still want to look for this setup before you buy. So let's go over to the trading view, which is where we trade at. You know what I'm saying? Which is, if you're confused right now, it's probably because you're not in the Discord. If you're in the Discord, You know what I'm talking about. If you're not, you confused. That's why you need to get in the Discord. You know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna teach you all of this, and don't try to like cheat your way through this. Because if you get on TradingView, yours not gonna look like mine. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not in the Discord. You got to get in the Discord to get the sauce, man. Like this makes it look way easier. My setup. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. So the market opened up. So this yellow part is the market close, and then when it turns black, that's when it opened up. So the market opened up. The bar was red. The candles are red, but when it crossed below that yellow line, it kind of popped back up. You know what I'm saying? So I knew that the stock was weak, but it was trying to fight back a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Because it came out red and went below the yellow line. You know what I'm saying? And then it popped back up above the line. See, really, this was a pump fake. Like sometimes stocks pump fake you to get you out your trade. But anyways, this is the same setup from the Discord learning session. Red candles, red bar, cross below the yellow line, and look how much it tanked. The stock absolutely tanked. So we teach this strategy every day. You know what I'm saying? And this morning, right? Let's say you was in my Discord. You would have known the strategy to look for. You would have known tomorrow to watch SPY if it break below a certain level. You would have known to get in this play right here. You would have bought in right here, and you would have 5 times your money down here. That easy, that simple. You know what I'm saying? People think trading is super hard, but look, all you gotta do is look at colors. Red candles, red bar, cross below a yellow line. And let's say you wanted to buy calls, which means a stock finna go up. You do the complete opposite. So if I go over here, you know, let me try to find a perfect setup. If you go right here, the complete opposite. So if you want to buy calls, make sure you got green candles, green bar, and a cross above the yellow line. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, the stock went up with that setup. You know what I'm saying? It went down again with this setup. Yellow line, red candle, red bar. It went down. Simple, super easy to read, and you can make a lot of money. Like today, like I said, 500% was made in just like 2 hours. You know what I'm saying? You know, if you want to join the Discord, we'll teach you all this. We'll sit you down. We'll get you all these same alerts. We'll get you all this same setup. Cause like I said, if you go on this app right now, yours is not gonna look like this. It's gonna look confusing. You ain't gonna know what to do. It's gonna be red, yellow, green, blue, all this. But we teach you and guide you how to make it look like this, simple and effective. You know what I'm saying? Now let me go back to the Discord right quick. Like I said, the strategy is being taught right now in this chat. Money is being made right now in this chat. $51. People who just joined last week made their money back already. You know what I'm saying? Like, this chat is legit. You know what I'm saying? All you gotta do is put the time in, listen to us, and you'll be profitable. You know what I'm saying? Like, but that's all for today. I just want to explain real quick how quick money can be made in this chat. If you think about joining, join. You know what I'm saying? Because if you're here right now watching this video, something or somebody is telling you you need to be in this chat. You know what I'm saying? I believe in fate. You here for a reason. You know what I'm saying? So we also gamble. You know what I'm saying? If you want to do the little gambling shit, we do that too. If you want to like trade for real, build a second income, we do that too. You know what I'm saying? If you want to make friends, make connections, we do that too. But I'm out. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Let me know what video ideas y'all want to see next.